Well, look at this. 2003 Ford F550 four-wheel drive service body with the dump. It's an F550, heavy truck. So it's going to be a 17.5 GVW rating. Nice clean truck. Only has 70,000 actual miles on it. Triton 6.8 liter V10 engine, automatic transmission. Nice setup. Make great for a landscaper. This would be wonderful. A plumber even would be great. Excavator. Great. What kind of ways to apply this little tool? Nice truck. Once again, F550 four-wheel drive service body dump. What a truck. Come check it out. Dorn Brothers Truck Sales, 3130 Portland Road. You can talk to Mike or John Dorn at 503-585-4731. Check us out at the website at dorngooddeal.info. Thanks for looking today. Look forward to talking to you.